Alright, let's try a little thought experiment. Imagine if every dollar in your wallet wasn't just a piece of paper backed by government trust, but had a real physical anchor, like a kilowatt hour of energy. Sounds wild, right? But stick with me here. Right now, our entire global economy runs on what's called fiat currency. This basically means our money isn't backed by anything tangible. No gold, no silver, just trust. We trust the government, the banks, and each other that these green bills have value. But it wasn't always like this. Before 1971, the US dollar was tied to gold. This was called the gold standard. If you had a dollar, you could technically swap it for a fixed amount of gold. But in 1971, President Nixon nixed the gold standard. Suddenly dollars were just dollars. No gold, just faith. So, why not go back? Well, here's the catch. There just isn't enough gold in the world to cover all the dollars flying around today. If we tried, each dollar would be worth a microscopic speck of gold. It's not very practical, but what if there's another way? Let's imagine a new kind of dollar, one backed by energy. Think about it, energy is everywhere. Oil, solar, wind, nuclear, geothermal, you name it. It's real, it's measurable, and it powers everything we do. And we will never consciously go back to world without energy. So, what if every dollar was pegged to a unit of energy? Like say, 1 kilowatt hour. That means the money supply could never be bigger than our total energy production capacity. We could multiply it with our reserve ratio, just like banks do with cash reserves. Here's the formula. Money supply would be less than or equal to our energy production capacity multiplied by our energy reserve ratio. If we use this system, the value of money would rise and fall with our ability to generate energy. If we build more solar farms, the economy could grow. When there's an energy crisis, money supply gets tighter. It's tangible like gold, but still flexible like fiat. Sure, it's just a thought experiment, but it makes you wonder, doesn't it? What if our money wasn't just a promise, but a reflection of the real power we generate? Would that make our economy stronger or just more complicated? Let me know what you think in the comments. And if you enjoyed this mental adventure, hit that subscribe button for more ideas that spark curiosity.